Welcome back. Today we are going to see installing gcloud CLI. Means previous videos what I'm doing is if I want to create any um, storage or any instance we are creating in GUI mode. Now in real time lot of cases we are not doing in GUI, means graphical interface we won't do in console. Okay, most of the cases. Some cases we are being creating, some cases we are creating in command line. That how we can able to do. There is a, let me show that. We already seen these things. Okay, just click on activate Cloud Shell. Here you can open and you can do whatever you want in the Cloud Shell. But the thing is, you can't open multiple shells here. For example, see, if I close this one, if I want to open one more, you here you can open, but no problem. But a separate window it won't open. Suppose I want to open in new window. Copy this window, for example, put it here, put it somewhere else. Again, you try to open. See here it is. See here it is opened, but the thing is open. Verify here. This session has been transferred to this one. It has been transferred to this one. But here you open multiple tabs, whatever you want. But the thing is, multiple windows you cannot open. See like this. But some cases, what happens is I want to go with in my local. I want to create in from my local machine. That also you can do with help of CLI. We know CLI. We know that, right? Say for example, this is the DOS commands. I want to do it with a command line without graphical interface. How you can able to do that? The commands we have commands like, see, gcloud, gutil, bq or command line tools. Gcloud is for creating instances and gutility is like storage related things you want to go with that. I'll show you one by one. Now we are going to see how to install CLI in our computer. First thing, see here in this page you can, I'll put in description as well. Linux, if you have Linux, from there how you can go with that. Ubuntu, yes. Red Hat, if you are using Mac, you can go with this Mac. Follow the instructions. Okay, see this one. If you execute this script, automatically it will download to your computer. Now I have Windows, right? Just Windows. This is the thing, exe, all those things. With PowerShell you can go with that. PowerShell execute or download this one. This is very easy. Go with this one. Just download it, open and execute. See, execute. All users, execute. It will take some time. Bear with me. See, it is installing at C program files, Google Cloud SDK. Almost it is completed. Everything, whatever you want, everything will be installed in this one. Okay, see all those things it is showing. What component you want to go with that. Everything you can do in command line itself with help of SDK, Kubernetes, and say a cube engine. But storage, I told, right? GS util you need to use. But in this prompt, if you install SDK, SQL, you can go with that. Cloud Run, you can see Cloud App Engine, Anthos, okay, AI, everything you can go with this one. It will take some time. So That is the reason. Notice here, BigQuery command line tool is installing. Okay, storage related, PowerShell related things, everything it is installing. Installed. It is installed. Just next. You want to create a shortcut on desktop? Yes, give it yes. See, this is the tool. You got this. Yes, you want to log in? Yes. Which account you need to authenticate? Not this one. Just leave it. You can close it this. Just no. You can close. No problem. You will get it here. Now you can authenticate. How you can able to authenticate? gcloud OUTH login. It will pop up the login, not this one. See here. It is authenticating. Yes, allow. You are allowing to your computer, local computer. That is the reason it is asking for authentication. Fine. Open this terminal again. It is authenticated. See here. Now you want to verify. Now you want to verify gcloud version. What is the version? This one. This is the version. gcloud version is SDK version 416, gcloud 1.0, gsutil 5.19. Okay, BQ. Everything we are going to see. In this video, we are going to see some examples on gcloud. Later, we'll see gutil as well. Suppose version we have seen that. You want some info. You want current info. gcloud info. Some information you got it. Where you installed. Okay, where you installed. All those things you got it. Where you have given G info, right? See here. Windows, my mission name, and in the C drive, what are the components has been installed. Everything it is displayed in this one. Your log files. You can see your log files here. Like you get some info about what is that. Now I want to see what is the configuration list. Configuration list. gcloud. You may get some doubt as well. See, for example, n number of commands, how you can able to remember. In real time, they won't ask you the commands, but you need to know what is what. Like with help of I want to create a VM. I want to create. First of all, I want to know something about to create VM. What are the parameters required? That things you need to know. Okay. See, what is the authentication I have given this authentication with this email ID? It is authenticated. Some more emails are has been authenticated or not. That is also you can see gcloud. See, only one account we have. Suppose you want to remove this one, authenticate, revoke. You can revoke it, but don't do that as of now. I want to see. Suppose we created some images, something like that, right? Some Jones we have did something. gcloud compute Jones list. Okay. Why? Because of we have 5 to 6 projects. Normally we have some projects, right? I'll show you in GA. This one. No, I don't go here. See, we are in some projects, right? Some projects you have my 3 project, my 5 project, something. Which project you want to allocate here? That is important. That then you can see which project. See, gcloud project name my 3 project 369. It is updated with your project. Now you see gcloud Jones list. See, lot of Jones are there. What are the Jones we need? Plenty of Jones we have. Only I'm looking Jones list, which we created. That is not. I'm looking for that. How many Jones are there? Now I created some VMs. Already we have that VMs. I need to verify. gcloud compute instance list. Yeah, 2 missions we created, right? Here we created, right? Compute. See, 2 VMs. Now, like instance templates, we have 3 templates we have. Now, same. Just if you don't know, for example, I'm giving. If you don't know, I don't know, right? Which is the template? Suppose if you don't know, just 3 letters. If you know, also, if you enter the wrong one, it will guide you. See, what are the instances you have? Instance templates. Here also giving some, what are the templates you want to create. Okay, you want to delete it. Instance templates, we got it. But you want to create, you can use create. You want to delete, you can use delete. Or you want to see the list. Or you want to see describe list. First list. See, 3 templates we have. You want to describe. Even though in some cases it will throw error. See, describe also it is throwing error. If you want to know some more, take help. It will give all those things. Flags means parameter. Okay. Like some more activities we need to create VM, how we can create a image, all those things we'll see later. Thank you for this session. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel